How to add a job board to your Wix website. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. I will show you step by step how we can actually achieve this, since Wix website itself does not actually offer the option to add one natively. So if we just go ahead and open up our Wix site here and just click on edit site, this is the first step, which is going to be opening up the site editor. Now, like I said, Wix does not actually offer the ability to add a job board natively. So we actually need to use another platform, create it from there, and then just embed it to our Wix website. Now, we have a few options here, but I think the best one to choose is elfsite.com because it does offer quite a lot of stuff there. Not only job boards, but many different things, including job boards. So what do we actually do now? First, open up a new tab while you keep obviously this editor here, and just go ahead and search for elfsite.com or .io, both work. And then basically you want to create your account for free. You just want to add your email in here, and you can just simply create your account for free from this site. Now, after that, you want to just go ahead and open up the Elfsite app itself. And you want to basically click on add a new app, or if you don't have one already, you can just go ahead and go to the search box right away. From here, we want to basically search for job board because this is what we actually want. So job board, and you should find it right away. So go ahead and click on it. Once you do that, we are just going to be greeted with many different variants of a job board. We have this one, that one. There's plenty to choose from. Now, not only that we can just choose any of those, but we can also adjust them accordingly, so we can actually edit them before we use them. So for example, let's say this one is the one we are just going to be using. What we want to do is just go ahead and click on continue with this template. And once we do that, we can just go ahead and start adding our jobs here, and we can just start editing everything here. So we can just click on add job, and then you would want to just give it a title, the company, department, location, and all of those things. I think I'm just going to stick with just, these random information here. Click on done, and then you can just feel free to add more here. So we can just add another one just so we can show you how it's going to look like at the end. So again, just salary. We can add the dollar before that, and it's going to look a little something like that. And if you click on done, if we just go to this one, we can also do so like that and click on done. And you can also add more stuff. I mean, each template is going to have different customizations, so make sure you go through them. And anyways, once you are happy with it, you can just click on publish on the top right, and then you want to basically select the plan that you want. For free also works. So yeah, and then it's just going to give you the embed code. So you want to just copy code and then go back to your Wix website. Go ahead and create a section for it. I'm just going to see if I can just remove this one, and I'm just going to add it to this section here. And what we want to do is just add element, and then we want to find the embed option. So embed code right here, and you want to go to embed HTML. Add that right there, and then you want to just add the code. Click on update, and then it shouldn't really take too long here before you can actually see how it looks like, exactly how we want it to be. So this is pretty much all there is to it. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.